The scariest moment is always just before you start. But after you have started, it is no longer the scariest moment. Before starting, you don't even know where to start. Before starting, you don't even know what it would be one day after. But after you have started, even if you find it challenging, you will still find a way to make it happen. If you get hardship, you will learn. If you get easy path, you will progress. So everything in life, the scariest part is before you have started. So make sure you start. Just start it. The rest of other thing you will correct along the way. Your projects, just start it. Because starting is the initial implementation. Without starting, it means you have implemented nothing. Starting will attract a lot of motivation and inspiration. At the beginning, you need consistency. That consistency is the one that builds your expert rate. The expert rate is the one that inspires you to move forward. So, the bottom line here is make sure you start. Thank you.